Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 500 pack of yellow wire nut connectors. If you're an electrician or if you deal a lot with electrical work, these are absolutely imperative. This is a nice medium size. This will do anything from an 18 gauge up to a 10 gauge wire. The pack is really nice in a bag like this. All the pieces are in there. You have a nice nylon coating that is ribbed and gripped on the end here, as well as these winged edges on here so that you can twist that on. And inside you have the nice coiled spring. These are going to be useful for a lot of different reasons, but if you're using them to either cap off a wire, maybe you've got a wire that's cut that you need to screw on and cap off, this will lock in place and hold on there nice and firm. It's not going to go anywhere. Or if you're needing to take two wires and even put them together, you can do that and shove this in here, and that will actually both go in there together, and it'll twist that and tie those off. And these grip really well. Having these wing nut edges like that really allow you to crank that down on there. I mean, that is not going to go anywhere, and that's going to add a lot of nice security on the end of that, making sure that that is prepped and ready for your next electrical adventure.